Why might they have been refused a student visa if they had the appropriate documents at the visa appointment?
Well, remember that the documents that are required are your passport and your I-20, your DS-160 confirmation sheet, your evidence that you paid the fees that are required. Those are the required documents. That I-20 is essential. Other documents are supplementary documents. Maybe those are your grades from high school, maybe those are bank documents that show your financing. Those documents can be helpful to a consular officer, but they're not required. So we are looking at this person who wants to be a student in the United States, and we expect the visa applicant, you, to tell us those 4 things: who you are, what you want to do, how you'll pay for it, and what you intend to do at the end of your studies. That's what we're focusing on, is that interview itself. So we may or may not look at supplementary documents.